I just want to show a demo of how to use the FastRTC Python library. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with FastRTC from Hugging Face. FastRTC is a Python library allowing you to build AI applications involving real-time communication. As they have stated here, you can turn any Python function into a real-time audio and video stream over WebRTC or WebSocket. So you can think of the FastRTC Python library as an alternative to the OpenAI's real-time API, allowing you to build low latency and multimodal conversational experiences using voice-enabled models. You can also use the FastRTC Python library as an alternative to Moshi, which is an advanced native speech model using AI. So using Moshi, you can create conversational AI experiences whereby users use their voice to chat with an AI in real time. So an excellent practical application of the FastRTC Python library is the OpenAI's advanced voice mode. In this video, I want to show you how to get started with the Python library and create a very simple voice application, allowing you to use your voice as an input and echoing back your speech whenever you stop speaking. So using this library, you can create real-time audio and video over WebRTC or WebSocket. Using the library, the front end of your application will be also powered by Gradio, which allows developers to build intuitive chat UIs for AI applications. So to get started with FastRTC, these are the required installations we should perform. We make sure we have Gradio installed. Then we create a virtual environment in Python and activate it. Next, you should install the FastRTC Python library with this command. And finally, install extra dependencies for voice activity detection and TTS. Once you do all these installations, you can go to your favorite editor, create a Python file, and make the necessary imports. I showed you how to install FastRTC. So we import stream, allowing you to create real-time audio and video from the FastRTC library. And also, we import pray on pause, which helps to echo your speech whenever you stop speaking. We then define an echo function and pass audio as a parameter and yield the audio. Next, we will create a new stream from the stream class and specify the following properties. The stream class has additional properties, but since we are creating a basic voice echo, all we need is a handler. Then we specify the modality and the mode. Finally, we use the UI.launch method to launch a built-in Gradio UI whenever we run the file. So let's run it in the terminal to see what we have. I will run it with Python 3 followed by the file name and press the return key. You have noticed here that was successful. So our voice activation detection model has warmed up and we have a link to test the app in the browser. So by command clicking that, I will open it in the browser. To start using your voice, you should click the microphone button to access the microphone. So over here, you can pick different microphones. I will leave the microphone option as the default MacBook Pro and click this button to input my voice. I just want to show a demo of how to use the FastRTC Python library. So this is how to get started with the FastRTC Python library from Hugging Face. In this video, I showed you how to get started with this library with a very simple example. You can get more examples from this website.